Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you the engine. I did try and record it while we were stripping the engine down, but something happened with the memory card and I've lost the video. So instead, I'm just going to go through what we've done so far, just to give you guys a quick look in at what we've done. So we'll start here with the head. When we took it apart, there was still bits of gasket, as you can see. I'm going to look it through. So that needs all grinding down and sanding. I've just bought some more grind wheels just to clean it up and give it a good clean. Then I'm going to put these down where the valves sit to clean up all inside there, and then soak it all up and leave it in some G101 or baking soda, some people have told me, or even Coca-Cola. I'm not too sure yet, just to clean it all up. So we stripped the head completely down, we took the valves off, we took everything away, and they're all sitting over here. So I've made sure that they're all kept in order as they were, and I'll just get one out for you now just to show you. As you can see, it's quite caked up, so that's going to need some attention and some nice cleaning and grinding and putting back. That's how it should. Whilst I was waiting for parts, I ordered a new valve grinding kit, so I'll be doing that as well. So I'm going to do some videos of stuff like that. I'm sure I showed these on the last video that we took all the rockers and the top off, kept all the head bolts together. This is just a box of spare parts for all the bits for the engine. And then we're moving on to the block. Now the block's not in the best of conditions. Could do with a good clean up. Inside all the waterlets, there's quite a lot of rust, so I need to give that a good thorough wash and clean, and possibly take it to a part wash and leave it in the parts wash for quite a while just to soak. We've actually felt down all the bores of the piston, and everything in there feels okay. There doesn't seem to be any cracks, no scorches, so I might have got away with that. And then moving on to this box, this is all the other bits. The cams here, I've kept everything in order as it came out. So everything will need a good clean at a later date when I've got more room on the bench. So this is what we've done so far. And then in tonight's video, or today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a time lapse of us cleaning up the head, because that's the first job that we've got, and then we'll go from there. But just for this video, I've never stripped an engine to this extent before, so this is completely new to me, so I am learning as well. If you know of any tricks to clean up inside the block or the head, please comment below just to give me an idea. Every piece of information I'm gaining at the moment is always helping me to do what I want to do with the car, which is fantastic and great for me. I have ordered some parts which I'm going to show you in a minute, but for this purpose of this video, this is going to be the culprit, and I'm going to be working a lot on the head, so there'll be quite a few time-lapse videos of me cleaning it and showing you how I'm getting on and showing you the state of it before and the afters and all that. So when I've just said I've ordered some parts, I've got a twin core alloy rad. And then to go along with the twin core alloy rad, I've ordered some nice hoses just to give the engine bay a nice, fresh, smooth look. So no more rubbish in there. It's all going to look nice and clean and all tidied up, with all painted and colour coordinated. I'm hopefully going to be sending the rocker cover away to a good friend of mine. He's also on YouTube, called Little Red Fiesta. If you want to go and follow him, I'll leave his link below. He's going to aqua dip the rocker cover for me, so that's going to be quite cool when that gets done. Pistons is another thing. When I get a chance, I'm going to do a video on the pistons and checking them and making sure everything's okay. But for now, I'm just going to concentrate on the head, and we'll whack up a time lapse now, just so you guys can keep up to date with what I'm doing. So that's the engine stripped. I know I was supposed to do a video of me stripping it, but something happened with the GoPro. This is my new GoPro, Hero 7. I'm still not 100% with it. For some bizarre reason it didn't record the clips. Well, it did, but they were there as corrupted files. So I've bought a new memory card. There's a new memory card in it now, so hopefully I won't get that problem. So keep watching, guys. Thank you very much for all the support. I'm amazed I've hit over the 100 subscribers mark, which is fantastic. So thank you, every single one of you, for your support. I think I'm up to 105 now, which is great. So thank you all, keep watching, and see you again in a minute at the end. No. Just before I carry on with the grinding, I just need to degrease the engine or the block. So I've got some degreasers now. I'm just letting it set for a little bit, and hopefully it'll clean up quite clean. So I'm just going to let that set for a little bit, and then I'll carry on with the time lapse afterwards. So now that I've given it all a good wire brush and a degrease, I'm going to set the jet wash up in the morning, because obviously it's late at night now. So I'll set the jet wash up and give it a good jet wash and clean everything properly. But as you can see, it is coming up quite clean now. So I'm going to end this video there, and this is how it is up to now. So if you like the video, give the video a like, if you like what I'm doing with everything, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully see you all again soon.